This is the Cloud High. It's an evolution of our most iconic shoe, the Cloud. It features a smart upper and a very lightweight outsole. The outsole features our CloudTech technology and our Swiss-engineered speedboard for a perfect stride. The upper has a two-piece design, which is very simple. This is vegan leather, shielding your foot. And around your ankle, you have a more sturdy but very comfortable and soft material. What people liked so much about our original Cloud is that they never had to lace it up. And we did the same thing here on a high shoe. Thanks to our loop lock lacing system, the step-in is extremely comfortable. You're in your shoe in a second. And this is our Cloud High, our urban exploring shoe with a very smart and protective upper and a lightweight outsole.